changing the persons, the individuals. That is the basic point. As Allama Iqbal has said very beautifully, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुकद्दर का सितारा. Unless individuals are changed, their thinking is changed, their values are changed, their characters are changed, their attitudes are changed, how can you change the system? The system will change only when you have enough number of changed individuals, revolutionized individuals, who have accepted a revolutionary ideology from the depths of their hearts, and then who are ready to sacrifice everything for the cause of that revolution. To change the individuals, that is the subject of Surah Al-Jumu'ah. To change the system, that is the subject of Surah Al-Saf. I read a poem, English poem, as I have quoted a few before also, although I don't remember fully, but the beginning, stanza was, not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. No, not the riches, men of character, men who are dedicated, devoted. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. We know today there are many Muslim countries. They have the black gold, they own it, but the honor, respect in the world they don't have. Because not gold but only men can make a people great and strong. Then another stanza ends with the words, they suffer long for some any cause. They are ready to suffer long. And then they build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. These people, these changed people, these people who have committed themselves to a cause, who have accepted some ideology, and who are ready to sacrifice everything for their ideology, they are the people who can bring about a revolution.